Hello, I can't talk this morning. Hello, and happy Monday. Or should I say happy rainy Monday? It has pretty much been raining since Saturday. I mean, I love the rain. If I was in my house, I would love it even more, but in the trailer or in the RV, not so much. And our roads just get so slick and muddy until we get some road-based material down. We ain't loving it so much. So yesterday, we just started staying in a hotel. So we'll probably be there for a week because I think it's supposed to rain pretty much all week. So we'll see how it goes. Anyway, I have a Temu haul. Y'all. I'm excited. Okay. I opened it because I had to get a few things out of it. It's a pretty good size one. And I have more coming in. So the first thing, I opened it because I needed some boots out of it. I will take a picture if I remember, and I'll post a picture of the boots up here. But I already used them. And then also I got my husband a hoodie. We pulled that out as well because we were gonna need it. Everything else should be in there, so let's see what we got. I got a mint in my mouth. One of my neighbors had those. The little round ones. I can't think of what they're called. Not had, but has. And so every time I'm down there talking to her, I'm like, well, I'm gonna grab one. So Thursday she brought me a big handful. Okay. The first thing I got is a women's off-shoulder t-shirt. I got it in navy blue and an extra large. I paid $7.89 for it. And it's super, super soft. I really like it. Definitely have to wear something underneath it. But I like that it's kind of long. And then here's the sleeves. It's very stretchy. Let's see what it's made out of. 95% polyester and 5% elastane. But isn't that pretty? I love the color. I love it. That's a thumbs up. What I do like is the hotel that we're at. We got where our room is, you just walk around the corner, there's a laundry room. So we ain't hunting and driving all over the place. Okay, this one I opened and already took out of the package. But it is a red sweatshirt. And it has the pockets. And this is similar to the one I got my husband. His is gray and it has an American flag on it. It is hooded. and it's kind of spongy, but the inside is like this, and it feels like it's going to be really warm, so I hope so. I'm putting them on my side over here and it's falling down. Okay, so I'm going too fast. I paid $7.89 for the blue one, and it is I don't like when they do that. It says it'll be $1.98 after applying my credit. I have an $8.65 credit, so it's a little over 10 bucks. And that is for all of them. It's an apricot, navy blue, which I got, white, black, and crimson. So about $10 right now. And I paid $7.89 for it, and I haven't had any price adjustments on it. The next one is a woman's thermal hoodie sweatshirt. I got it for free. It's in the color crimson and extra large. Sorry, my hair's flying away. And it looks like it's about $14 right now. That's the only color option that it gave. It's the only color option. Sorry. Let's get a couple things out of here. Okay. This can't talk today. This next thing I'm going to show you, I paid $2.69 for it. I did get a price adjustment on it, and I like it and I don't like it. It's a vintage floral heart pendant necklace, zinc alloy. I like, well, let me show you. Let me show you. I like the heart. One side it's like plain, and then this side has design on it. I really like it. Not this. So I will put it on a different chain, or I'll hang it up in my car somewhere, but I don't know. I don't like that chain, but I really do like that. It's very pretty. So we're gonna leave it over there. And it looks like it is $2.63 right now. I mean, I think it's worth $2.63. Well, on the picture, it shows it has roses. I don't know that I'm seeing roses on here. I mean, it's a lot prettier. Like I might see one right there and right there. But it looks like there's 4 roses and it's just leaves. I'm not getting that with this. but I still like it. I still like it. All right, let's see what else we got. Let's see what else we got. Yeah, I was not expecting as much rain that we've gotten so far. I want to say Saturday, it started raining early in the morning, and it did not stop until, well, Saturday it stopped like around 3 for about an hour. And at that time, we're like, well, we're just gonna go grab some dinner. So that's what we did, because Saturday was my birthday. And so we went and grabbed some dinner and come back, and then it was just like pouring Sunday. It rained in the morning, then it kind of like sprinkled, and then we're like, there's no way. I don't want to drive through that every day to go to work. There was a semi, like a car hauler. I don't really know what he was doing out there. Maybe trying to pick up some cars. He got stuck just a little bit down from our house. So I guess he was calling for somebody to come help get him out. My husband has a 4-wheel drive truck, and we just have a bunch of clay. It just clay got all over the wheels. He couldn't go nowhere. It was just spinning. It was fun. I should have videoed it for you guys. Dakota's here at work with me. She didn't like it because she couldn't go out there. She doesn't like the rain. She steps and it's wet. She's back into that trailer she goes. So the next thing I got is socks. I got a 5-pack of women's mid-calf socks. Spring, summer, versatile floral. I got them for free. And they are around $4.07. But these ones are probably, of the socks, my favorite. I kind of want a sweatshirt that looks like this. Wouldn't that be pretty? So this is pink and gray, and then I got yellow and gray. And this one's pretty too. Green and gray. Then I got like green and brown and yellow. And then yellow. More brown with yellow and green. But I need socks, and Temu has some awesome socks. I have bought quite a bit of socks. I'm actually wearing a pair of socks right now from Temu. They're so soft. I love them. So take these, get these washed, and take them to the hotel, and then we'll have some stuff to wear. But they're really pretty. They're stretchy. They kind of feel like they're stretchy. I love them. I don't know if you guys can hear. If you guys can hear that rain. It is coming down. It looks like here, I'm in California. It is 2:20 right now. If you look outside, it looks like it's, like there's no sun. It looks like it's probably 5-ish, 6. Crazy. All right, the next thing I got is a stylish color block striped round neck long sleeve 2-piece. I got it in dark green. I paid $12.95 on it, and it looks like it's $14.08. It comes in dark green, black, crimson, navy blue, purple, rose red, and coffee. but I do like it. I like the stripes, and then you got the double stripes on the sleeve. It's not very thick, but it does look like it's kind of long, which I like. I like the shirts to cover my butt. Okay. And then the pants, I was worried because the last time I bought a two-piece set, my pants fit, but my shirt was way too big. But these feel like they're gonna be fine. Again, thin, but I did buy those, it's like a slip, but they're shorts, and I'll just wear it under here. They, you know, they're kind of lacy on the legs. Dakota, come here. But they're long, they're straight, and they don't have like the gatherings at the bottom, but they will come in. They're gonna be great while I'm at the hotel, I'll tell you that. Just gotta get them washed. It's so weird because it's like she knows. My husband usually gets off work at 2:30, and it takes him about 25 minutes to get to the trailer, but it's like she knows. So now she's at the door. She's like, where's Daddy? He's coming to get me, right? On the two-piece set, it looks like they're all the same price except for the navy blue and the rose red. Those two are $18.53 for the set. I think it's a good price, but like I said, I do want to try it on because last time my pants fit, but my shirt was too big. We'll see how it is. And it is, the sweatshirt's 100% polyester. I think I didn't tell you guys that. No, my husband's was 100% polyester, and it feels just like it. 100% polyester. And then this one, these are 95% polyester, 5% elastane. I think this is a good mixture because it's so soft. It's so soft and so comfy. All right. A few more things and that's it. Just a few more things. So this next thing, I got socks from my husband. This is my first time ordering him socks. We'll see how it goes, if he likes them. Sorry. They feel really nice. They kind of feel like some I got over the summer. But I got them the 4-pair men's thick winter socks. Well, I'll tell you one thing, they're not thick. So I wouldn't really say winter socks, but maybe it's the material that will keep him warm and not so much the thickness of it. Although they do say thick winter socks, they're not. 4-pair, random colors, one size. I paid $6.19 for them. I have gotten 2 price adjustments. And it looks like they are $5.01 right now. But they're in green, blue, which is his favorite color. Like a brown or a brick maybe, and gray. So hopefully he'll like them. Hopefully. I picked the 4 random colors. It comes in black, gray, green, blue, or coffee is what it's called. and I just picked a random, so one of each. And I like them. The next thing I got, and then I have a little heater here, and I turn it on, and then I get too hot, and I turn it off. It's like, I can't make up my mind. Hold on one second. Okay. It's the IT department. We're trying to get me a new work phone. All right. I love this one. Love, love, love it. Isn't it pretty? I love the designs on it. Again, it looks like it's going to be kind of long. Definitely see-through. I'll have to wear something underneath. But it is a women's turquoise blue ombre v-neck. I paid $10.31 for it. And it looks like it is $11.61 right now. But it is so soft. Soft. And the model is like tanned, so I'm not gonna look like that in it, but because I'm not tan. This is polyester. It's so funny how this is polyester and it's thin and soft. This is polyester and it's thick. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I just buy the stuff. But yeah, $11.61 for that shirt. I love it. I think it's a good price. It comes in sky blue, which is what I got, emerald green, and peach. The peach is actually more expensive, but it looks more like a pink and not so much a peach. But sometimes the colors on the computer are different than when you actually get them. We're almost done, I promise you. I promise you. Let me just get everything out. Looks like we got 3 more things. All right. These, I like them, but why I have such a hard time with getting them in my ears, I don't know. And it bugs me. They are elegant and luxurious synthetic zirconia earrings. I got the silvery, I got them for free. And they look so pretty. They're like this. Aren't those pretty? But I tried Friday when I opened it because I'm like, oh, maybe I'll take these and I'll wear them when we go out to dinner. It took me forever to put them on. I don't know if it's like this angle, how it goes down. I needed a mirror and I got one in just to try. I'm not gonna make you guys sit here and wait while I put this on, but so pretty. I will try and have them on my next video. But yeah, I love them. Love, love, love them. I got them for free, and they are $1.79 right now. So with this order, I got 5 free items. This is another thing I got for free. My first one I have that I use all the time, I got from Pampered Chef. And I didn't bring it to the RV with me. I don't know why I did not, but I didn't. I use this thing from Pampered Chef for everything, for mashing my potatoes, for mashing up my hamburger meat. I used it for everything, and why I didn't bring it, I don't know. I don't know where it's at right now. Somewhere in one of our storages. I'm not gonna go looking for it. And so I just bought another one. Well, I got it for free. It was one of the options. It did come in different colors. It came in different colors. I picked the blue. And it says it's a heavy duty meat chopper and masher. It came in blue and black, reddish black, which reddish black is actually on sale for $2.79 right now. Blue and black is $5.80, and the black is $5.31. I'd be going to get me the reddish black one. But we're gonna try this tomorrow because my husband is going to be making some soup. And we're probably going to be using ground beef and stuff like vegetables, just making some type of a stew or soup or something. Whenever winter hits, I don't have to cook because he cooks all the time. Well, when we lived in the house, he did most of the cooking. I didn't hardly do any cooking. Since being in the RV, I do most of the cooking. So I'm ready to move. I'm ready to get out of the RV. I'm tired of cooking. Speaking of him, he's calling me right now. I'll be right back. Okay. We have this, which I love them. And then I hauled these once before, and they are like moldable earplugs. They're soft. They look like this, and can you see that? They're just very soft, and you mold it and you just put it like not all the way in your ear canal, just right there. It works. Me and my husband both use them. They are reusable. They are washable, which I don't know how to clean them. I will have to find some instructions on that. But I do like these. And is that it? I think that's it. Like I said, I got this for free. And the pink one is on sale. So that's the one I would go get. It's a 12-piece moldable silicone reusable earplugs. Suitable for a concert. I got these for free. Blue in 12 pieces. And it's sold out. They're that good. They're that good. So, I don't know what they are now. If I click on it. But if you just put in reusable earplugs, they'll pop up. This is my second set. The first one was 6, then I got the 12. Even if you lose them, they're still cheap. You know, they'll work. And that's it. So for my free items, I got this for free, this for free, my sweatshirt for free. Let me take a picture with all my free items. And I got my socks for free. That's pretty awesome, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, I left one out. And these. Can't leave it out. So, this is warm. It's been up against my laptop here. And now I'm starting to get cold again. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Like I said, if I can find the picture of the shoes, you don't want to see them now. They got muddy. But before, I'll see if I can find a picture and put them up here. If not, I'll try and find a picture from my cart and I'll put it up there. Alright guys, thank you for watching and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.